Hey guys, it's Taylor here, and today I'm going to be playing some Ark Survival Evolved, Episode 1 of a possible new series. So, I already leveled up a bit. I didn't build anything, I didn't get any materials, I just leveled up a little bit so that I would be prepared for the world ahead. And let's start punching some trees. Do. Wow. All that for a single piece of wood. Come on. Come on. Thank you. And I still don't have a stone. Because there are no stones. Oh, and never mind. Thank you. Alright, here we go. Do. Wait. First poop of the series! I'm gonna keep this in my inventory forever. Oh, it's gonna spoil. Oh, no, that's sick. Man, I wanted to keep my first poop of the series. I wanted to frame it. Man. Hi, Bronto. You're loud. Anyway, go figure. Alright, hang on. Give me some flint. Give me some flint. Okay, thank you. And craft. Alright, so let's see. Alright, let's get a bunch of materials. Like wood-wise. Alright, now let's get some fiber. Okay, sorry guys about the graphics. It lags sort of if I have the graphics really good, so yeah. Anyway, but they're fine. Yeah, so let's do this. Let's just get some berries. Let's get some fiber going here along with some berries. Let's get this. Sarco! Come here. It's dead. Yes. And I also need meat. Meat. Jeez, talk about the mother load. Oh, a Gigantophis. Oh my gosh. Wow, I was not expecting to see one of these guys. Oh, wow. I can feed you, can't I? Hang on, I want to feed this guy. Wait until it's hungry again. Oh, right, I forgot. Okay, it's one of those, like an Ichthyosaurus. I'm just gonna follow it around. It's a girl. It's a girl, but it looks not like a girl at all. That's messed up. Whatever. Who am I to judge? Collecting all these berries, praying that I don't get attacked by a raptor. Or a whole pack of raptors. Or something worse. Okay. Sorry guys if I'm not as funny as I usually am. It's late right now where I am, and I'm pretty tired, so yeah. But I figured before I went to bed, I would upload some videos because I haven't uploaded a video in like an age. So, you know, I figured what better to do than upload a new game. So, yeah. Let's get our materials. I'm waiting for that Gigantophis to get hungry again so that I can feed it. Oh, yeah, level up. Oh, yeah, I forgot to introduce you guys to Mocha. Hi, guys. My name is Mocha, and, yeah. Hi. Okay. Slingshot. Dang it, I don't have enough to learn the narcotic. Curse you. Well, more importantly, I'd have to learn a mortar and pestle so that I could even make it. Anyway, but actually, I don't even think I'll be needing narcotics, because I think the first thing I'm going to tame is probably going to be a parasaur. So, yeah. Oh, there it is. There's the Gigantophis I was taming. Are you hungry again? There you go. Ah! What? I gave you berries. What the heck, yo? Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. This is bad. Oh, this is bad. Oh, this is bad. Ooh. Oh, that thing is still after me. That thing still wants to eat me. Oh, no. Bad monkey. Oh, no, it said they were highly territorial. I should have listened to it. Oh, my gosh. Why was it trying to kill me? Yo, that don't make any sense. That does not make any sense at all. Dude, I was feeding that thing. I don't get it. Tried to kill me. What's up with that? Oh, man, that's messed up. Anyway, but now I know to stay away from them. Because it said they were highly territorial, but I was walking like right next to it, and I guess it just didn't notice me. I don't know. Alright, well now I know. So, yeah, alright, here we go. Craftables, how many can we craft? 3. I can craft a slingshot. So first we're going to have to find a spot to set up base. I'm thinking right there is going to be a good spot, except for that Gigantophis. He's going to be my only problem. Ah! No, I did not think Mega Piranhas would be this shallow in. This much inland. Wow, okay. I think that's the Gigantophis pooping, and I'm gonna run away before I get noticed again, because that thing hates me. I mean, if I go near it at least. So, let's find a spot where I'm not gonna get crushed by a giant monkey. I don't know how you're supposed to tame it if it's gonna kill you. Anyway, but now I've got a slingshot, so that's really good that I've got this early in. Oh, I'm short on thatch. Figured. I always am. How am I still short on thatch? Hang on, getting more. We'll give Mocha a shirt, see how it fits on him. just put our base right here. Oh, not there. Never mind. Door frames. Okay, I need more thatch, obviously. So I need 3 more door frames. Okay. Use all those. Because I need 3, but... Wait. Oh, no, I need 1 more. Good job, Mocha. Oh, hang on, I forgot I made you a shirt. That's one tight fit. Oh, dang. That joke, though. Oh, okay, sweet. Now I do have a crosshair. Good. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna get collecting some berries so I can tame some stuff. And yeah, so I'm gonna BRB peeps, and I'll be right back when my base is done. BRB! Hello, everybody. We are back, and yeah, here is our nice little base. And yeah, so got it in a really nice area. And yeah, so hang on a minute. I have to check something. All right, guys. Well. Yeah. Wait. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this episode, and see you guys in the next one. Mocha just has something to say. Hey guys. Thank you for watching Mocha video. Thank you for being patient with Mocha building base. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Bye guys.